OptimumPOS is the best option you can give your restaurant to innovate, control, and create new forms of interaction between your customers and your business. With OptimumPOS, your clients can make reservations on your website, and at the same time, your hostess will have the option to generate those that are made through mail or telephone. Commensals will also have the option to arrive without reservation. They will be assigned a shift, and the list of sleep will be screened on a smart TV, a tablet, a smartphone, or they can download an application to know when it is their turn. It also has connection with multiple devices. Servers can leave comments for any tablet, smartphone, PC touch, etc. In our profile, they can separate accounts, reprint tickets, change tables, block waiters, free tables, apply discounts, change waiters, among many other options. Once the server sends the command to preparation, each area will receive the dish or drink what to either through a ticket printer, a tablet, a smartphone, or a smart TV. Those who can communicate directly to kitchens, bars, or gaps. When the dishes are ready in the shortest possible time, thanks to OptimumPOS, your waiter will receive them and your commensals will enjoy them. You can easily and simply charge with any form of payment. Your customers can also build the integrated system to your restaurant's website. With OptimumPOS, the administrator has the option of monitoring any system operations such as cuts, reports, sales, status of tables, products sold, and accounts. In case all these benefits were for you, with OptimumPOS, you will manage your accounts receivable, accounts payable, suppliers, inventories in real time with a 24/7 support. All this for the downloadable application on Android and iOS for the administrator. You can create email campaigns, offer loyalty points to your guests, access the system with username and password, magnetic stripe card, and with the help of a fingerprint reader. You can generate surveys for the dinner to answer. With OptimumPOS, innovate restaurant and perform the commands through the system with voice recognition, in addition to the customized application that you will find for your operating system and no additional cost. Your customers can book, consult the menu, receive notifications, learn about promotions, pay online, and ask for service at home. Take control of your restaurant only with your smartphone from anywhere in the world.